so what should I do?
Fish.
Do what?
Oh, then that way.
Oh, I see. Okay. How about that? Is that a better way?
Look.
You have 3 umbrellas down there. How come? Is it raining out?
No.
Then why do you have 3 umbrellas down there?
So I open it.
You're going to put them all away?
So open it. I open it. I open it.
Can you put my umbrellas back in the umbrella stand, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
That they are.
That's okay. We don't have to lock it.
Are they in there? Did they